Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, YouTube's very own Maniac, and today I'm here to show you a quick little thing that I made, that I just finished not too long ago. It was a very cool project, and without further ado, drum roll please. Bam! This is my very own popsicle stick butterfly knife. Alright, watch this. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? There's another trick that I know. One other trick, only one. Oop, I already messed up. Sorry. Nope, I already messed up. It's a very difficult trick to master, so please forgive me. I swear I will get this one day. And now I'm holding it like this. And I can adjust the blade like that. Look at that. Stab. And then I just catch it and hide it. Now you can't see it. So this took me a few days to make. It was actually really cool, really difficult. This is like my 10th attempt to make this. I'm going to make another one because, as you can see, the blade is kind of, yeah, it's shorter than what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to come up to like right here. I had to cut it down to this point. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. This was just a quick little video before my next uploads. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment if you haven't, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye bye.